Alright, let me document this before I rip this apart, because there's only like 2 or 3 people on YouTube that has gone through this and never really answered any of my questions. Techno-Isel or Techno-Isel CNC lathe, 9x20. The belt, this thing comes off. There's 2 bolts, one in the front and then one in the back near the motor, back there somewhere. The belt is a HTD 5mm profile with 740 millimeters in length. So you would look for 740 millimeters in length, HTD 5 or H5M on McMaster. Set screw, there's only one. Actually, there's 2. There's one here, and then that allows this to unscrew. Pulley back down here, 22 teeth. This just pops out. And this pulley is a 38 tooth. Again, HTD 5. Encoder, same HTD 5. This thing's gonna get ripped out. This is gonna be made out of steel for a 1.3 kilowatt servo, so that's like an extra horsepower. I think that's all of it. One last thing. The motor shaft is a 16 millimeter, and the spindle shaft is 30 millimeter. I'm replacing this with a HTD 8 millimeter profile. I think it's a 920 millimeter length belt. 40 tooth for the motor side and a 48 tooth for the spindle side.